Hey people, so as you can see on this picture, it is finally happening. Really soon we will find what will be the price for the 3D printer Flsun V400. So basically in just 6 days, as you can see on the picture, we are going to find what the price we can expect for this kind of 3D printer. Besides that, I believe we will find new stuff and tech specs about this machine, where we can buy it, what you will get besides the machine itself. And as they say, we are coming soon. So basically, in just 6 days, we are going to see how much it will cost. But in my opinion, it should cost below $800, because in that way they can attract many potential customers, because some other fast 3D printer cost at least $1,000 or more. And what do you think? What the price will be for this printer? But also, what do you think about this machine? Are you interested about this machine and do you consider to buy it? Besides that, I already talk about this 3D printer because it is very interesting, as it offers high speed print at 400 millimeters per second, which is considered high 3D printing. But everyone knows that high speed printing needs stability, because if you don't have stability, the printing quality will not be good. And from what I can see in past videos, which I have also showed you on my YouTube channel, you can see that the printing quality actually is amazing, because with this kind of printing speed, they have managed to do many things to the machine to provide good quality printing. So that's it for now. We only need to wait 6 more days to find out how much will cost Flsun V400. But as I said earlier, I believe it will cost around 600 700 US dollars, but who knows what happens on that day. So stay tuned and tell me in the comments, what do you think about price, what do you expect, and do you plan to buy this machine from China? Bye.